Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we are going to discuss about the stock of Progenity Inc. Now, I have already been discussed about this stock, but there are some developments which has been going on in this particular stock, which makes the momentum live here. Now, as you can see in the past trading session, it has already moved up by 58%. Further, you have a 4.67% of gain in the after hours, and there has been a steady rise in the last trading session, as you can see from the lows of 1.36. So at any point of the day, if you have purchased it, you have made money at the end of the day. So this is the kind of chart that one should look for if one go for an intraday trade. And in the past 1 month, as you can see, the stock has moved quite significantly on the upside, and probably the target price which has given over here is $7, as you can see here. So it is $7. I mean, it is more than 200%, 250% away from this particular price. So even though there are some negative EPS, as you can see, and there is no P ratio, but because there is a big target price, the stock looks much cheap. But it depends, it all depends. And let's see what's latest as far as this stock is concerned. So I think if you are looking at this particular news, I think this is let's go and check it out. And it has been very clear that the stock went up by 40% after granted patent for device in treatment of GI tract diseases. So the news has already been there. So I mean, if you open this press release, you will see this one on the top of short squeeze stock last week. This stock has been ranked 2 on the list. They are talking about all the company. Yes, this is the headline, that its pipeline includes therapies for GI related disease and other treatment as well. Additionally, the company offers molecular pathology test such as COVID-19 PCR testing device. So these are all the news. But as we have seen, so one press release is saying it is because of short squeeze, and next we have a granted patent for device in the treatment of for GI tract diseases. So there has been lots of news that's going on as far as this chart company is concerned. Now, if you are going to the chart, and if you are thinking about $7, a $7 target will change the entire game, because if he indeed moves toward $7 as per the analyst estimate which we have seen, yeah, then we have a lot to go on the upside. But the chart is saying something different, and we will follow the chart. So if you are looking at this chart here, you will see something like this. So you have your trend. So this is your trend which you're gonna look at. So here we are. Because it depends upon the market how the stock is going to move. It's not only the target price on which we started sitting and wait for that to happen, which probably may or may not happen, right? So this stock has big swings on both the sides. So what we have here is 1.31 as your stop loss. Don't go below this level. And if the stock continues to sustain above $2, then we have a next target at 2.55. Okay, and 2.55 is another resistance or a trend resistance. and only if the stock successfully crossed 2.55 and settles above that. In that case, we have a couple of targets to look at. So only if the stock sustains above or beyond this trend line, once it crossed the resistance, we have three consecutive targets starting with $4. Then we have 5.1 and the big target of 7.5. So this is how we are looking this chart for the time being. This is not only about the $7, because if you are looking at this chart and the $7 looks far away from the current price, so you need to understand how you're going to approach the chart and what you're going to face as far as the levels or trends are concerned. So this is the end of the video. Thanks for watching.